Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how to use Pythons in Visual Studio Code. Okay, and the agenda for today will be the first one. I will guide you how to install the Python's working environments on Windows PC. Yeah, so here I'm using the Windows, so I will guide you how to install it on the Windows. You can follow that and install it on another operating system. Okay, and the next step I will open the Visual Studio Code to do the configuration and run the simple Python code here. So here, this is a simple code for hello one or something like that. Yeah. Okay. So now let's get started. And in the browser, I access to the address is python.org here, and then the system will direct me to the download page. Okay. So here in the download page, I can see the latest version of the Python for the Windows. Yeah. The current version is 3.8.2. Yeah. If you are looking for another version for the Linux or Mac OS X, you can click on another link here. Okay. You can scroll down and see the previous release for the Python. Yeah. Okay. And now I back to the top and I click on the download Python, the latest version for the Windows. Yeah. It will take some seconds to get the file from the internet to the PC. Okay, download complete, and I click on this icon on the left hand here. Installation dialog is displaying, and then I will click on the install now. I will click on the add Python 3.8 to pass. Okay, I click on install now button. It will include the IDLE, pip, and documentation, blah blah here. It will take some seconds to install the file on the PC. Here. So here step is worked successfully, and now I can close this one. Okay. The next step, I will guide you how to verify the installation is successfully or not on this Windows PC. Okay. So now here, close this one, and I will open the command prompt. Yeah. And I will open it with the administrator. Okay. So here I will type in the command line here. It will be the py space -3 minus and version. Enter. Yeah. So you see here, after you enter the command line in this administrator tool, it will display the information in Python version 3.8.2. Yeah. So that means you have just installed the Python successfully on the PC. I will close this one, and then I will open the Visual Studio Code on my PC. The next step, I will install the Python extension in the Visual Code. Okay. I will navigate to the extension, and then I will type in the Python. Yeah. So here you click on the first one, and you can see some detailed information for the Python extension for Visual Studio Code here. Set up the environments, debug. Okay, a lot of things here. Okay, so now here I will go ahead to click on install button on the top. It will automatically download the file from the marketplace and then install it for my Visual Studio Code. Yeah, it is installing. Yeah, this extension is enabled globally. Okay, that means the Python's and extension has been successfully installed in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, I close this one, and I click on the Explorer option on the left hand here. Okay, the next step, I will create a new file for testing. I open the folder. Yeah. and then I will create new folder here. I will have a Python testing, enter, and then I click on select folder here. It will reload the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here in the Explorer menus I have the Python setting. This is the folder of the we have just selected, and now I will click on the new file button here to create a new file. I will enter it in hello.py. This is the extension of the Python. Okay. So now here there are some native and check information here. Link later. Extension I got it. Do not. Okay. Close this one. And now I will go ahead to enter some the message. Just a hello world message for testing purpose. Okay. I can increase the font here to make it bigger. File preference setting, and you navigate to the editor font size. Increase it to the 20. Okay. Close this one. It's bigger. Okay, I have a MSC equal hello world from vs. Okay, and then I will execute the print MSC. Okay, you can see here on the bottom of the left hand we have information in Python 3.8.2 32 bits. Okay, so now here I will right click on this one, and I will select the option is run Python file in terminal. Here, close this one. You see here we have the terminal output. It were using the Python executable file here from this location to perform the code here, and then it will print out the message hello world from vs. Okay, good. So now I will go ahead to update the message here and try it again for one more time. Thank you for watching my video. Save it and perform it again. Here, the message has been updated. Cool. I'll run it again. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to install the working environments for Python on the Windows PC. And then after that, you know how to perform the configuration and do the testing for the very basic shortcuts of the Python by using the Visual Studio Code. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you see any issue or have any comment, please leave it for me in the comment section of the YouTube. Okay, thank you again and bye bye. See you guys in the next video.